Okay guys, welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Dan. Today we gonna react Mau and Wang Kasih Sayang Kepada Orang Tua. So version, I don't know what is this or whatsoever kasi sinabi lang sa akin ni Baby Loves na i-react ko daw. But we can react and see. So kita niyo fresh cut yung buhok. Eh, papagawa po tayo para kay jowa naman. Ito paano, diba? So, yeah. Let's go. Kasih sayang.
Mungkin semuanya mempunyai kedua orang tua, mungkin sama seperti saya mempunyai seorang ayah dan seorang ibu. Susah buat ngungkapin perasaan lewat kata-kata mah, abinya ka mama, pah, abinya ka papa, asa gengsi. Gak bisa beribu-ribu kata, beribu-ribu cara, nggak bisa buat ngalahin kasih sayang kita kepada orang tua.
So the language I don't understand. I think di ko alam, pero di ko.
Mungkin buat orang-orang yang masih ada kedua orang tua, sayangi mereka. Dia orang tanya gitu. Tapi dititah meli cengek hese.
Indo.
Lagu ini saya persembahkan untuk orang tua saya.
I think it's a broken song, I think. Kasi kung ano pinagsalita niya. Baka yun.
Semoga bisa meluapkan isi hati kasih sayang kepada orang tua.
Fucking ridiculous. God, the fuck is this song? Okay, then di ko lang po seryoso ba to? Is this a real song?
Semuanya bisa teriaknya buat kasih sayang kepada orang.
I like no one is fucking laughing, you know. Maybe in the back. Tawa naman, di ko alam pa. Man, this is so fucking...
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh my god, so inspirational song. Teka, are they fucking serious? Is there's yung kanta nila ganito ba lahat? Wait lang. Wait lang. Are they serious? Is all their songs like this? Hindi naman, di ba? I think so. Hindi naman lahat ng ganito yung kanta, I think. Pero tingnan natin. Hindi naman. Sorry, ads, may mga ads. Yung, kasi ngayon I don't have any premium right now. But totoo ba yun? Is this their song? Totoo ba yun? Are they serious? Oh my god. Hindi ko alam guys kung seryoso ba yun. Wait lang. So, so
Ku ingat saat ini.
wait. No, this song is actually good. So, seryoso pa yan. They're fucking serious. They're fucking serious with itong song na to. I don't know guys, kung ano ba yun, if this song is serious enough. But dang, that's market yung piece ngayon. Oh my god, I didn't expect the song is gonna be like this. Nakaka-inspiration naman kahit pa paano. Inspiration, di ba rin? Nakaka-inspiration nga eh. Yan lang, tawagin ko muna. Nothing, wala pala. But man, nakaka-inspiration. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I think there's yung ibang song, man, I think this is the one is the most outrageous song I heard so far. Seryoso pa, pero pagkanta hindi pa. Oh my god. Oh my god, ipisgi kong sakit. Oh my god, sakit talaga. But, oh my god. It's actually, Mao and Juan, actually, I give you credits for your humor side. Kasi sa di pala orantua. For, naalala ko tuloy yung kanta, yung kay Michael V, sa Bubblegum when they sang like this song. At funny song, yung parang seryoso pero solely hindi ginagawa nila yung comedy. This song, yung boses reminds me of Goofy somehow because of ito yung you can see here. You can see that yung lahat yung grabe. I think this song I think nagsabi siya sa mga broken kung ano broken naman yung inaano niya. But yung pagdating dito,
Kasih sayang kepada orang tua.
I really like how yung feel niya yung kanta yun sa high notes. Where's the high notes one? The high notes. Where's the high? I like how the girl, yung babae sa likod, wala parang parang wala siyang pakialam. Like, go with the flow. Fucking shit, guys. Oh my god. Wala akong masabi, guys. I think this is the craziest So, hurt no. Oh my God. Tapos may mga queen poster pa sa likod. And it's a Beatles. Oh yeah, the queen. Man, I always said. I don't know, guys. But guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host, Dan. And shout out kay Maya Danaga. Beckett. Woo, natawa ako sa video na to, man. Sa jowa ko. Love you so much. And yun nga, guys. See ya in the next video. Bye!